Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vine leaves. Rinse and trim leaves, then blanch them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until flexible. Mix soaked rice with chopped herbs, onions, and lemon zest, then season with salt, pepper, and a splash of olive oil. Roll tightly to avoid gaps and pack snugly in a pot with lemon slices and water to simmer until tender. Combine soaked rice, sautéed onions, fresh dill, parsley, and mint in a bowl and stir in lemon juice and olive oil. Season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of allspice or cinnamon if desired. Mix thoroughly so flavors meld and rice absorbs aromatics. Keep the filling slightly under-seasoned since the leaves and cooking liquid add flavor. This filling yields balanced texture and bright citrus. Lay a leaf glossy side down, place a spoonful of filling near the stem, fold the sides over, and roll away from you into a neat cylinder. Arrange rolls seam side down in a snug pot, layering lemon slices to help release flavor. Add water to cover rolls by about 1 inch and weigh them with a small plate. Simmer gently until rice is tender, then cool slightly before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.